Most of us at times we have been told that investing needs big money, right? Wrong. In this video, I will show you how exactly you can start investing in Kenya or whichever the country you are, as little as Kenyan shilling 500 or rather even 1000, and grow it into something big that will really come one day and say, gosh, I really start with this one, and where I am, I'm at least heading somewhere. Stick around till the end because I will share the investment I started with around 8,800 Kenyan shilling, and now it's making me money every single month without even touching it. Okay, in case you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly please click the subscribe button, then allow the notification buttons to be on. Whenever I produce a video like this one, YouTube will automatically giving you a notification. And to the subscriber, I really value your support. So guys, let's now dive in. Investment number one is money market fund. Money market fund, it has a very low risk. It has a very high liquidity in investment. If you earn 9 to 12% per year, you can withdraw anytime. And in money market fund, we have different money market funds that you can venture in. We have Britam, Zenile, and many other that at least when you start to venture in them, your money will be accumulated every month. So that at the end of 1 year, if I have invested just with 1,000, I'll be sure that at the end of 1 year, my amount has been increased with 12%. 12% of 1,000, that's around 120. So your amount will be increasing daily. Yeah, so we have something that called number two is the government treasury bills. In this one, you can start with around 3,000 Kenyan shilling. You know, safe and backed by the government. You know, even starting with the Kenyan shilling 3,000, you can even better than saving accounts. You know, most people say that you save money, then they stay there, and I normally told you that inflation eat up your money. What you need to do, save the money, then let it go. When I save today 1,000, in the next 1 year, that 1,000 will not be that 1,000. That's what shall I normally say, join these SACCOs, join this money market fund and these government bills. Number three, we have something that called SACCOs, and most of them, they use it as Chama, or rather they rotate Chamas. So pooling money, let you SACCOs and Chamas, they will help you to pool money together so that in long last you can invest in big investment opportunities like grant, or rather even you can have a huge starting capital to start your business from that small. Let me say that you may have you are like 30 people, and each person is producing this Chama 1,500. At the end, at the time they will reach at you, you will remember at the time they will reach at you, utakwa you have saved 45,000 without you knowing. So this one will really help a lot. You have the Nairobi Securities Exchange, that is you can buy shares in Kenya company for as little as Kenya shilling 10. Yeah, we have Nairobi Securities Exchange, and where you can buy shares in Kenyan's companies for as little as Kenya shillings 10 bob per share. If you pick wisely, your money grow with that company. As the company grows, that is how your money grows. You also have to buy this thing there so that when the company grows, then your money also starts to grow. We have digital fractional investment. This is normally works best for the people that are in rural. I want to own a cow and I don't have a cow. I can go to my friend, he can rent me a cow. I will graze this cow for him. I will do everything, water it until the time it will sire another kid of the cow, a calf, so that he will take some then itabaki na ndama nyingine. So that is normally digital investment fraction. You don't have to buy a cow, but you can just take for someone, do it slowly and slowly, then at long last it will be your cow. So you don't need millions to start investing in business. You just need knowledge, patience, and courage. And start small. Even if with Kenya shilling 500 today, it's better than waiting to have a big amount of money to start. This is Favored Maro, and again, subscribe, be part of this finance family. I'm out. See me in the next video.